Hi everyone, I'm Kel and welcome to If It Ain't Cheap, I'm Not Buying It. On this channel, over here on my channel, I'm going to show you how to save money when you're doing shopping, show you different items that you can buy on the low and make it look high end. So if you think that this is the type of channel that you may be interested in, make sure you hit that subscribe button and come on and join the fabulous family. Over here on my channel, we have lots of fun. I am trying to get my schedule together for the next couple months, so just hang in there. I am trying to work on some exciting new things to bring to my channel. So if you think that this is the type of channel that you may like, once again, make sure to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to give me a likes and leave me a lovely comment. And I'll see y'all in another video. Bye-bye.